Hello guys, good afternoon and happy Good Friday to everyone. And today we are heading to Omal Queen. Is it Omal Queen ba? Omal Queen. So it's just like a 1-hour travel from our place to get some booze. We're going to Barracuda. So Barracuda sells different kinds of alcohol and in a very affordable price. So we are heading in that place and Isabella is sleeping.
It's like a supermarket.
Yeah, it's like a supermarket for all the it's just like a supermarket for alcohol. So we're going that place, so stay tuned. To Barracuda, Omal Queen, and we are searching for a parking. I think since it is today Friday and it's holiday in UAE, so must be so many people has come to buy some alcohol. Yeah, and we're searching with a park. We're searching in the parking. We're searching a parking. Searching for a parking. And who's this? Hello, hello. Hello. We're here now.
You know what?
Yes.
This is cotton wash. Take this one.
I'm not the only one. Ba! Ba! But guys, this is all. Also on the bottom we have red horse and one more red horse box. And here this one. And still my husband still not done shopping for alcohol. This is the happy guy. We have bought is all fully loaded in our trolley. Here it comes, so many. So guys, now we're back in our car and we've done our alcohol shopping spree.
And guess what, guys? before I went to sleep.
Yes. On the way here, actually, in Omal Queen, she went to sleep in the car. And now we're heading home for another 1 hour again from here. So we'll reach in another 1 hour in our place. Guys, finally we have reached home.
Yay!
those are the bags. Excuse me, Bella. Those are the bags that we bought from Barracuda. So this is all alcohol.